Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Scientia, where science meets you. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series. Recursions in Java. What is recursion? Recursion is a programming technique where a method calls itself to solve a problem. Instead of loops, recursion breaks a problem into smaller instances of the same problem. Real life analogy: imagine standing between two mirrors. You see endless reflections of yourself. That's recursion, a function calling itself repeatedly. Why recursion? Recursion makes code elegant and clean for problems like tree or graph traversals. Best fit for divide and conquer algorithms. It helps in breaking down problems into subproblems. Structure of recursive function. Every recursive function must have base case, the stopping condition, and recursive case where the function calls itself. Example: void recursive function. If the base case, then return or else call the recursive function. Example: print numbers in reverse. Void print reverse int n. If n is equal to 0, then return print n, print reverse n minus 1. So calling again the recursive function. Next, factorial. Int factorial int n. If n is equal to 0, then return n times factorial of n minus 1. Fibonacci. In Fibonacci int n, if n is less than or equal to 1, then return n. Return Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. Types of recursion. Description and the example. So type: direct. Description: function calls itself. Example: function, function. Next, indirect. Here the description is the function A calls B and B calls A. Example: A calls B and B calls A. Type: tail recursion. Description: recursive call is the last statement. Example: optimized by the JVM. Tail recursion versus head recursion. Tail recursion. Void tail int n. If n is equal to 0, then return or else print n and call tail n minus 1. Head recursion. Void head int n. If n equal to 0, then return head n minus 1 and then print n. Real world use cases. Tree traversals. Description: pre-order, in-order, post-order. Backtracking. Description: Sudoku and n-queen problems. Use case: divide and conquer. Description: merge sort or quick sort. Use case: dynamic programming. Description is memorization, top-down approach. Graphs. Use case: description is DFS, like depth first search. Next, stack memory in recursion. Each recursive call adds a stack frame to memory. If there's no base case or the input is large, we get a stack overflow error. Void infinite. Infinite no base case gives stack overflow error. Recursion versus iteration. Feature: recursion and iteration. Code style: elegant, closer to logic. Recursion. Iteration is efficient but verbose. Feature is speed. Recursion is slower function call overhead. Iteration is faster. Feature: memory. Recursion uses call stack, and iteration less memory. Feature use cases: recursion, tree and backtracking. Iteration is counting and looping. Final recap: recursion is powerful, elegant technique, always defines a base case, used for problems that invoke repetition with variation. Watch for stack overflow and optimize when needed. That's it for this video. More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, up right from the next video, similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button